So, pala, gabi na. Bakit kayo natataka nagbibideo ako ng gabi? Kasi magtutukabuka muna tayo. Diba? Ano pala? Lipat tayong charge kasi ako mga besh. Go up, give up, go up. Yeah. Ito na tayo sa goma. Okay, so pala. Let's go! Mga rich pala to, kaya wag kayo. Kasi may corona sila. Kasi ano sila. Rich. They are rich. Yan, gubazyam. Ito wala pa. Daan na tayo dito. Alay ko boy. Hands up, feel up. Gonna be on hands up. La 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 la. That girl from a pillow. Andito pala si Santa kasi wala siyang Santa Claus. Andito si Santa ngayon kasi malapit na ang Christmas kaya magka-Christmas party sa Toka Boca. Go up like on a river. Go up like I'm a keeper. Yo, mama. Go like nothing but the truth that I want it. Understand. I try to fix it. What are you doing? Ayaw niya mag-bish. Okay na. Ay. Ito na lang. Yung mga maliit. Ito. Dito. Ayaw niya. Diba ayaw niya? Nakainis. Ayun, na. Ito mga cabinet, dito, tapos dalawang dito, cabinet. Ito, di ko alam ano dyan. Yan. I need a clock. Okulok ko. Ano ba yung bata na sinabi niya okulok? Kaso, kulok ko sabi niya. Kaso, okulok. Clock. Yes. Sorry pala kung tinawanan ko siya. Kasi, min tapos bullying kasi. Ginagawa mo. Ginagawa niyo. Lagyan pala natin ng design kasi pangit pa ko lang design. Diba yung mga ano. Ganda yan. Kunti lang na design kasi si Santa ang bibigay ng present. Tulog na tong besh. Go up, Wala tayong painting, guys. Ang pangit kung walang painting. Go up, like animated character. Alam mo yung kanta na go up, like animated character. Hindi ko alam eh. Kinanta ko yun. Tapos maganda pala be. Yan. Salita muna tayo. Paano ko nagsasalita? Dapat sila ang nagsasalita. Hindi yan. Ito, 100 lang to. 100k. Ito, 50,000k, bes. Ayan na gusto ko. Ito, painting na to. Sabog kayo dito. Mas maganda to. Ayan yun. 100k. Yes. Kaya sa baba siya. Baka mabasag. Wala na. B, wala na. Totoo, wala na. Pag dyan yan. Yan, kung niwawag yung gamit ko. Damit ko pala. Ganyan nilalagay damit na pala. Eh, hindi. Di pala dyan. Wala na kasing space pala niya. Yan na yan. Isin ko muna itong ano ka na yan. Good night, everyone. Ay, baka dapat lagay niya yung sa cabinet. Dapat dito sila kaso wala akong kapatid. Ba yan? Ano? Ito, mamaya to. Mayain kasi magbug. Kaso hindi sila maglalande. Mary lang. Tapos nagawa siyang buntis. Yan. Ito, meron ng pangbuntis, oh. Eh, sabog! Joke lang. Ingay ko yan. So, natulog na sila. Tapos si Santa pumunta na sa shopping. Let's go to shopping. Mikad. Okay, so, natulog na sila. Kami hindi pa tulog yun. Tito ko, kuya kong isa, yung dalawa kong, yung isa kong kuya tulog na. Kaso yun, mas panganay, yung malaki, meron silang statue dito na aso. Maano ko dito, guys. Okay. Church ba to? Uy. Nasa middle of church kami. Tabi lang namin, bro. Dapat dito kami nag-bro. May twinkling putput. Yung bahay nila kasi $1 million cake. Dollars, wow, dollars. Gusto mo ng dollars? Gusto ko ng kilay. Ano kilay? Yun eyebrows mo. Alam mo, yung kinder kami, miss ko na si teacher Lorna. Alam niyo si Lorna. Teacher ko yun dati. Tapos nagpapasaya siya kasi masabag din siya. Kaso, tag makulit kami, nagagalit siya din. Ano yan? Kaso, favorite ko pa din siya. Miss ko na din siya eh. Kasi, yun, aalis na siya. Kami. Nasad na kami. Kaso, yung dalawa kong ka-classmate, miss niya din. Kaso, miss niya na din sila. Ito na lang yung Santa Claus natin. Wala ko na eh. Wala ko na ito. I like this one. Ito daw, $1 million. Ay, bakit ayun? Ship yung 100 lang yun. Pag tinos nyo yan, pag nalagay nyo, ito pala to. Okay, pag nilagyan nyo yan, pag sinabay nyo siya, dapat naging $100 na kaso hindi ko nabili. Binili pala. Ito, $1 million. Ulit. Kasi yun, mga, yung mga, alam mo yung mga, pag mag-hotel kayo guys, ito na, meron na sa Toka-Boka. Yun, Christmas. Bago. Sabi niyo new. Rati, baki, rati. Rati, baki, rati. Wait, pag kinawak mo to, be. Ano mata niya? Bakit gumagal? Bakit naman dyan? Skateboard. Yes, that's my skateboard. I can buy some self my flower. Inis na pagbungo. Naiinis ako pagbungo. Pag pupunta kayo ng beach, andito na. Pag pupunta, kasi bukas daw, magbe-beach sila, kaya beach. Beach pala, beach. Pag pumunta kami ng beach, bukas pupunta sila ng beach. Yeah, beach. Kita ko lang sa YouTube na nag-blur siya kasi sinabi ng isa, beach. Beach. Okay. Hindi ko kaso, hindi ko muna siya na-alam. What play gonna ano nabi? Tubi. Cause I had a baby so ano ito? Ang pang-ano to ng ulo. Pag nasugat. Nainis ako dito. Hindi ko na to kinuha. Kasi, ayaw niya, be. Ayaw niya nahahak ba yun, be? Toka-Boka? Bakit ganyan? Uy. Ito. Halloween, Christmas. Hey. Bukas pala magkotse kami cause pupunta kami school. Yeah, school. Bukas may school na pala. Patulog kayo ng maaga. Ako hindi. Magpapaputi muna ako, bisyo. I can buy self my... Nakainis ako. Okay, okay na yan. Okay na yan. Ito, hawak na. So, hindi ka hawak to. Wait, I need a backup. Yan, may dalawang senta. I wish you Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas with a Happy New Year. Yes, I can buy some flowers. I can buy some flowers. Can you kunin na? Kunin na. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Merry Christmas. Oh, it's him, the rich family. Rich family. Oh, I came up in here. We need to go downstairs. Okay. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! Tapos yung dalawang tutulad nagising. Tawa ng tawa to, bastos oh. Ay, bastiral. Pasneya pala. Pasneya! Come back here, Pasneya! Pasneya, ingay niya, bish. Ang dami nilang gift, mga besh. Pag kulay blue, mas tawa ng tawa, parang bubble. Ay, hindi pala yung bobo. Ano yan? Tawa ng tawa. Hindi naman siya bobo. Ano lang, amal siya, kaya dyan yan siya. Parang, tapos, sabi niya, 2, tapos O, tapos, cellphone, tapos naka-search. Okay. Matutulog na daw siya kasi nagchichismis muna daw siya. Okay. Ay, tuma. Ay, tuma. Tingnan. Special one to one. Oh, we have no treats for the dog. That's okay, my father. Just go to the house. I just go to house. Let's go to your house now. Okay, my honey. I'm my son. I'm student in the college and I dream another. Ate niya, ate, tapos bunso, nanay, tatay. Okay, buti na 1-4 naman sila. Aray ko. 20 min, ano? Si Santa ba yun? Saan na yung buwi? Si Santa ba yun? English pala. Is that Santa? Oh, you're awake. You scare me. English muna tayo, big bench. You scared me too. Where's Santa? Let's check downstairs. Gamitin nga natin. Let's go. Oh. You're crying too here. We need to lock this. Hindi naman na-lock yung elevator, guys. Slow yun. Go back to bed. Okay. In the morning, wake up, honey. Oh, wait, but I need to surprise you. Close your eyes. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna close. I'm gonna surprise her. Wake up. I wake up. You can open now. We are married, but you want to marry me again? Yes, because I choose you from love. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ang babaitin nyo, thank you. Makeup time. Kaso, hindi sila magkakasal. Dito lang sila sa bahay. You can put the ring over here. We need to secret them. Yes. Tapos bukas, nagawang buntis ang mga Mars. Wake up, kids. You wake up, Sophia. I wake up, Emily. Emily. Sophia. Emily. Sophia. Emily. Sophia. Gagawin kong lalaki ang boses ko. Emily. Emma. Emily. Sophia. Emily. Sophia. You scare me. It's morning. Tomorrow is your first day, so get up. In the way you see Christmas. Oh, Christmas? Christmas! Christmas. Christmas. Tomorrow is Christmas. No, Christmas is here now. I'm sorry about that. No! Nagabi ko niya naman. Okay na. Oh, Christmas. The person is downstairs, so get up. Okay. Okay. Yes. Twa. Twa. I brush my teeth, honey. Okay. Emily. Oh, you scared me too. You scared me. What are you doing here, guys? It's Christmas? It's Christmas. Did you know? Yes, it's Christmas. Did you want to see the present? Yeah. Yes, please. Okay, but brush your teeth first. We brought Sophia and me just brush our teeth. Let's go. I will wait you here. Okay. Okay. Okay, wala pa ito. Twa. Okay, twa. Girl. Okay, let's open gift. Yay! Wait. Yay! Oh my god. Yay! I want to open my Christmas! Okay. Wait, don't be happy. I love that song. Let's go. Yay! Oh, let's go. Who locked this? Me. It's of a mirror of a nut. Oh, there's poop stuff. Poop, I poop. There's a foot. There's a poop step. Really? From Santa. A foot. Yeah, I see that because I was so scared and my sister just get up and scared me. And she's scared. She scared me. Oh. She scared you? Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? Oh, just come on. Just laughing. Wait, the keys. Okay. Ito, wait. Parang! Yes. Let's go. Okay. Yes, I want to make a Christmas Happy Christmas pala sa inyo guys. Kung Christmas na, mag-follow kayo dito sa Tukabukan natin. Ay, follow. Mag-ano lang kayo pag may bagong pag may bago kaming video, mag-comment lang kayo. Yes. Tara na. Let's go. What about breakfast? That's okay. Look, a hoverboard. Where? I request that. This one. Wow, can we play together? Sure. Oh, this is from the beach. I request that. Oh, I request that. This is my love. Oh my god. Okay. Let me just put. Okay. Blue. It's blue from Daddy. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, I request that because you need some. Wow. You request that? Yeah. Why? For my baby. This is mine. Yeah, I put it over there. And this is you, you're like a bunny there. Oh, thank you, Dad. Okay, another blue, dark blue. Okay, this is dark blue. Oh, it's true. I brought this to yours. I brought this to you. Oh, thank you. And this is from you. What? Oh, I love you. Oh, thank you. It's so sweet. And this from my kid. Purple. Oh, purple is you. Yay. Ooh. A bear. That's yours. This too is mine. And this hat. Did you want to try? Yeah. Wow, this looks fitting. And this is ours. And this. Wow. Ay, pang baby pala to. If we have another baby, we need to put there, like this. Oh, this is so sweet of you. Okay. Let's open it. Well, light. Yeah, I request that. And this is mine. And this is from the baby. This is from me. This is from Daddy, and this is from Mommy. What about yours? Mine is the, don't worry. Okay, you're such a sweet girl. Now me a turn. Ooh, I request that. Oh my god, finally. Oh, this is for you. Thank you, Mommy. You're welcome. Okay, this is yours. Really? No. Oh. Just kidding, this is yours, and the baby is that. I like this gift. Thank you, Mommy. You're welcome. Wow. I love a lot of things. I love that, Mom. Oh yeah, we have a blog. Oh, let's stand here. Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas, everyone. Ow. Okay na. Part 2 pala bukas. Kaso hindi mo na ako mag-aano. Okay? Okay. Okay, just put the things over there. Stop being up. Okay. Put the things over here. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Oh. Put the things over there. bored. Okay. Oh my god. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. Bye. This is the name pala is Christmas. Happy Christmas to Toka Boka. Bye. Wait for part 2 kaso bukas may part 2. Bye. I love you. Mwah.